Alright, kids. Let's show you who all the engines are. We got Patchwork Hero, and Rocky he's pulling Rocky. Let's see Rocky. We've got Caitlin. She's a fast, streamlined engine. Who do we got here? Gordon. Hero. Another Gordon. Ferdinand. Henry. Two different James. Thomas. Rusty. Thomas. Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Where's Ben? Where's Percy? Percy? Two Percys with the hero in the middle. What about Diesel 10? Diesel 10. Here's Diesel 10. Let's look at his face. Wow! And there's Green Salty. And regular Diesel. Next to Fiery Flynn. Mavis. Is that Dash or Bash? Who's that over there? Spencer next to Charlie. Cheeky Charlie. Oh, train cars? There's a troublesome truck. Wow. You've got a nice collection, Cam. Who's that? A Jack taken play? Oh, is he gonna haul Jack? Nice. They can do a lot of good work.